Alright, so today we're going to be talking about how to create a quiz on the website. So, we'll go to the dashboard right there. So, last time we talked about forums, so you can see we have the forum thing set up. But today we're going to be talking about how to create quizzes on the site. So we'll go to plugins, add new. And the thing about plugins is, the reason I'm showing this part is because this is how you can get all sorts of different plugins. So we're just going to activate this one here, because this is the HD quiz plugin that we're going to use for basically creating any quizzes. So you can see it's right there now that we've activated it, and it gives you 4 options. So we'll start with quizzes, and you can see I've created some extra quizzes for you to look at just to see what the style is, how they look, how you could create some types of questions. So here's where you can just add a new quiz. So you put in the name and just click add new quiz. And you can see it didn't work because the name has to be different every time. So you can't have any identifying names. They have to be completely different. So here we're going to add a new question. So all you got to do is put in a question and just type in some options. So basically this works, when you add a new question, you can just add as many questions as you want and then attribute them to a quiz. And you can do that individually as well. So we're going to click the correct answer, and then you can see one of the most important things we have to do for this specific one is just attribute it to test 3, because that's what we have to put it under, since it's a demonstration question, of course. So we publish that, and you can see the add new question is all you got to do to access that. Just click on that and you'll get in. But right now we should look at basically the short code here. So you go to all quizzes and then go to short code. So then once you've copied that short code, just go to pages and add a new page. It could be, name it whatever you want, and then just paste in the short code. So we can put it under a parent, but it's not necessary. So let's just go to publish it. So now that we've published it, we can just go into the link, and I made it so that there's no menu, so you can just see the page. And here's how it works. If you get it right, it'll say 1 out of 1. If you don't, it'll say 0 out of 1. You can actually configure more of the settings within the plugin, because it'll give you some instructions. So if you go to HD quiz and the about bottom part, then you can see they've got like a little tutorial for you to look at, which is quite convenient.